Sovi. Remember me from Sovi Sells Dear Properties. I'm here on my newest exclusive listing in the heart of Kite Beach. This is a 7-unit income-producing apartment complex with stunning ocean and mountain view. Check out the ocean view.
Hey everyone, this is Rob from Sovi Sells DR Properties, and here we are with a walkthrough of the penthouse. What a spectacular view, lots of light. You can open these windows up and get a super breeze. No need for air conditioning. And talk about being dead center, Kite Beach. You don't get any more in the middle of the action than this. You do have air conditioning in the living room. You have another air in the bedroom. Another air conditioning in the back bedroom with a balcony. Spectacular mountain views. So the penthouse is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a laundry room. And here are the stairs that go up to the rooftop, which we saw before. Okay, here we go, heading down to the 2nd floor. Still have a beautiful view. And here you have 2 apartments. Each a 1-bedroom. Full kitchen. Okay, heading down to the bottom floor. Still a nice view.